Hello guys, welcome to iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you can't collaborate because they don't have access to Instagram music. So guys, it's a Instagram's collaborate problem. Lot of Instagram user has been reported to when posted photos date time invite collaborations see this error message. Like cannot collaborate because they don't have access to Instagram music. This error message show after the Instagram new updates as well as iPhone and Android users. And lot of users to say I post on my Instagram but still can't collaborate in my iPhone as well as Android devices. So guys, before the starting video, please make sure you are subscribed my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram collaborate problems. First of all, press and hold on Instagrams. Now you can see also last option is uninstall. Now please uninstall and delete Instagram applications on your iPhone and Android. After the Instagram uninstall, now you can see also second step is strong Wi-Fi and also mobile data to connect your iPhone and Android devices. When your iPhone and Android devices mobile data to connected, then open the any browser like Safari and Chrome browser. I will open the Chrome browser in my Android device. In Chrome browser top corner search bar, in search bar search this link paste. So guys, this link I give you on my description box. So guys, make sure tap on that and open on your Chrome browser. This page load after you can see also blue icon download option. So guys, please make sure tap on that and download Instagram APK file. When your Instagram's APK file downloaded, then you can easily again reinstall the Instagram applications on your iPhone and Android. When installation is completed, then now open the Instagram applications. Now you can see also right hand side corner plus icon. Now tap on the post. In post options, now select the anyone photos and videos. Once your post is selected, then now you can see also right hand side corner arrow icon. Now again tap on the arrow. Now tap on the tag peoples and now you can see also invite collaborator. In collaborator search any names. Now you can see also select that. You can easily fix your problems. In this Instagram APK file, Instagram's collaboration problem fix. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix as soon as. Thank you so much.